Good morning, this is Joan of Art, and good nightning as well. Why good nightning? Because there's a moon right behind me. That's the super moon. Last night we were taking photos of the super moon and the blood red moon because there was a lunar eclipse. However, it was too dark to be taking videos. So tonight we are taking a last glimpse of the super moon as it sets today. Good nightning. Good morning. And the other side of the moonset is the sunrise. So this is a good morning on this side of the scenery, and good nightning. There's the moon. There's the moon behind those coconut trees. I'm carrying my power bank to be sure that there's always power and we can document this. What is Ilonggo word for eclipse? No word. Eclipse we call it. So it's still eclipse or eclipse. Moon is bulan, and in nights when there's a full moon, we call it SANAG-BULAN. SANAG being bright, bulan is moon, so a bright moon. SANAG-BULAN. And today, it's a good morning, maayong aga, and I've coined the word good nightning for this spectacular phenomenon. It's a rare phenomenon, and we're documenting it right now. My friends, good morning! Good morning! Mayong aga! Wara is checking his camera so that we can take a nice selfie with the supermoon. Dako-dako sang moon, a very big moon, but on the camera it looks very small, gamay, very small. Ready?
360 video.
360 video. It's a good subject to paint because of the nice lavender colors. Oh, if you can only see it in real, the colors are more spectacular. It's a deeper yellow color. It's a deeper pale yellow color, unlike in the video it's white, and it's brighter, and it's meeting the sunrise as well. Oh, just so beautiful out here. This is Joan of Art and Wara and Sherwin and Wen and Army and France saying bye-bye for now and good morning and good night.
Why the beef?